So I just got my mail, and my name came here, and it says ooh, come on. Please focus. No? Okay. Well, it says Maverick by Logan Paul. Right there, see? So yeah, this is it. I ordered Maverick merch, so let's open it. Okay, so here we go. Here, guys. I'm gonna try and get a better angle. Okay, guys, so it's right here. Oh my god. Look, here it is in the packaging. So I'm gonna quickly just put it on. Okay guys, so I put it on. I'm going to the bathroom so you guys can see it in the mirror. So my hair is obviously messy, but here it is, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking out like so hard right now. Messy room. But look, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay, bye.